สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to Yatra's kitchen. In the last video, I showed you how to cook rice and served it with garlic chicken. In this video, I will show you how to cook the garlic chicken. For someone who just started to cook Thai food, there are 4 sauces that you must have in your kitchen. First is oyster sauce. Oyster sauce has a sweet and salty taste. Second is soy sauce. As you know, it is salty. Third is seasoning sauce. Seasoning sauce is another kind of soy sauce, but it has a thicker color and stronger smell. And the last one is sweet soy sauce. It has a dark color and is sweet. Let's look at the ingredients from the list. Alright, let's get started. You need high heat for making Thai food. It smells good already. When the chicken is cooked, you can taste it. It tastes good. Put a little bit of sugar. It's done. For more recipes, please subscribe.